Welcome to the Complete Web Development Bootcamp. My name is Suhani Gupta, highest rated programming bootcamp. To date, I've taught over 10,000 students in person and online, and I'm so excited that I now have the privilege of being your instructor for this course. So it doesn't matter if you have never programmed before, because I'm going to start at the beginning, and I will take you step by step so that you understand every single line of code that we write together. We will be covering some of the latest tools and technologies, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Mongo, DB, Express.js, and a whole lot more. As a student on this course, you're going to be saving yourself a lot of time. Because instead of having to deal with outdated or incomprehensible tutorials online, you now get access to a fully up-to-date curriculum, which is going to take you from beginner to mastery. You're also going to be saving yourself a lot of money. Because instead of having to take time off work or spend tens of thousands of dollars on an in-person programming boot camp, you'll get access to exactly the same content, but you get to do it in your own time and on your own terms for a fraction of the price. By the end of the course, you will be fluently programming by yourself, and along the way, you will have built over 16 fully fledged websites.